Something about me ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down. That's just me ambition. Ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey my natural beauties, what is up? Good night. So obviously it's night. I'm using my ring light and you guys can always tell the difference when it's night from when it's day. This shit be mad bright. Okay guys, so I have some seafood boil here that I got from Lucky Crab. I'm gonna be putting their IG down below. See if I can show you guys like a close-up. Oh, Mr. Bugwan going on my plate. How kind of snack is this? So we got sweet corn, we have shrimp, we got crab, and we got potatoes in there and sausages. Alright, and I cannot wait to dig in. I put it on Instagram that I want you guys to ask me some, not ask me some questions, to make assumptions about me so that I can see if your assumptions are correct. And so far it's moving really slow. I've only had 3 assumptions so far, so I'm kind of gonna like mix it up. I just wanted this video to be super chill, no makeup, no nothing, because I'm hungry. I really wanted to just do a chill video because I feel like I haven't come on here and just talk to you guys in a while. So if I have enough assumptions, I'll do them in this video. If not, I'm just gonna wait and do that in a separate video. But right now I'm just gonna wing it. Whichever way I end up doing this, it's whatever. Y'all just gonna watch me eat, okay? I have my laptop. You guys can't see, my laptop is right here. Oh, also I have Pepsi and water. I'm jumping on YouTube right quick. Oh, and also if you're wondering where Lucky Crab is, it's right across from Consumer Plaza on Constant Spring Road. So beside Active Home Center, Active Home Trade, whatever, the Active Home Center, I think that's what they're called. I kind of wish this was a live so I could talk to you guys in real time and find out what's been happening with you guys. I know the fan makes that annoying sound. I just turned it off. Hopefully I don't burn to death. Kind of crack this door, get some breeze from outside. Oh guys, like the first time I ate here with my friends, yo, like I don't even know if it's hold on. Oh, so I brought out, this is the famous bowl plate to put my trash in, my bones and stuff, paper towels. As y'all know, eating this stuff can get very messy. I initially wanted to do a video of me making it myself, but I feel like there are so many of those videos on YouTube. It's not even funny, like a lot of them. Let me see what I'm gonna watch. I'm just gonna watch something on what is trending now. I suck your lace work. Twerk up your body. I really don't know what to watch. Okay, so I'm going to be reacting to some JNEL right now, guys. Like, if you have not started watching JNEL, I don't know what I do. Like, I really don't know. Like, the JNEL episode, them kill me. Oh, he did a Q&A. So I'm gonna do the first. I'm gonna watch the first one when they just come back. 2 weeks ago. 3 questions. Jeez, I'm at so much things in Lego since then. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to be watching the most recent one, which is 3 Questions in Jamaica, season 3, episode 6, Linstead.
This Chinese street artist isn't drawing his female customer.
The first thing I have to do, right? Yeah. I pronounce the following word.
Well, yeah, and you have to tell me. And you have to tell me about the word.
Okay, I'm tell you the word. So you want to tell you the answer and make people don't let them know. Moradito.
Moradito.
Yeah. So I'm ask you again. And just give me the answer like you didn't know. Yeah. Who are going peeps that don't know your boy JNEL back at it again with the next episode of the question and people watch it. This is episode 6 so I don't know where they're in Linstead, St. Catherine. So we come from mash up Linstead. I want to mash up next. Leave a comment, let me know. So without further ado, peeps, I don't know me not.
Did they come on me pen already this time or run again? I think he's on all the parishes actually.
Steam off. May I just go that way, yeah? Pick up on the self, peeps. Hit the like button. Hit the like button right now. Hit you very much.
Hold on, I have to eat it. Yo, JNEL are the boss, you know, man. Thank you guys.
I'm a boss. You don't know the pre, just give me a name.
Yeah, man, a Flames photo, man, isn't it?
Flames photo.
Yeah, man, Flames photo entertainment.
Yeah, Dangle Psychotic, you know, SYKOTIC. Yeah, Dangle Psychotic. You need them perfume and you know the perfume that needs. They don't
No.
just cologne man and it's.
Everybody have a brand name.
They want cologne and it's gonna link up on King Street. That's where them get the thing and they know where they're going on.
Trizette.
Suzette.
No, sir, Rio de Janeiro, my name, though.
Joseph. First thing I do, just give me a name. Bro, God. What?
Most people
So why I'm gonna name bro God
only
no?
has to deal with
Oh,
two
God.
factors, diet and exercise. But if you're like millions of people around the world,
Skip.
try diet and exercise.
I'm in here, Murphy, now. Then call me Gyalis, you know.
Yalis.
Yes, Gyalis more them call me.
You're not too old to be Yalis, man.
No, man, here I am big man. You see young boy, them, pretty boy, them lose to man now. You see man like we now. Well, hopefully, I will take care of a woman. Watch and cook and then steam there.
Yeah, which is right.
You want me cut a DJ and make you hear?
You might be here, man.
God, the man, then, yo, fisherman to my friend, them there. Tell you what I them and me and the Gyalis. Gyalis, them and this and me and them in a place. Tell you what I them, me and the damn King Gyalis. Over the city, they call me damn daddy. Tell you what I them and me
Yeah,
and
JNEL like
Gyalis.
eat that, you know?
Everybody talk about it and them body. Have some girl, them in a film body. Tell you what I them said, me no keep mad. Goes up to Anna, this and King Gyalis. Up to the corner, up to the party. Come to the wine, in the Gyalis.
Raj.
Rappler. So you want your post office rap for me?
Yo, hello, L-Town, L-City. What's up?
No, Rajan.
JNEL comedy. Yo, it's the dancehall hip-hop rapper
Guys.
represent L-Town, L-City.
That garlic butter sauce.
Pass me the myself, no acapella. I rock the stage show like Frank Sinatra. I got the ladies screaming like Cleopatra.
Okay, on that note guys, the reason why I wanted to do this also was because I want to try the vegan thing for like a month, and obviously this will be me failing at that, so I just decided to do it now, right? So yeah, proceed.
I dropped the bomb like Barack Obama. Sometime I rap lean, sometime I rap stammer. Stick to the English, forget about the glamour. Smoke a chronic, smoking by the house. Left to the right now, watch your booty bounce. Straight from the middle, now she's sliding up front. She wanna stick it on my blunt.
Come on. Alright, so you're ready for the first one now. Alright, so the first thing I have to do, pronounce the following word. Moradito. Moradito.
Following word is Moredito. Moredito.
Close enough.
Moradito.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Moradito.
You're not wrong.
Moradito.
JNEL, you're full of ads though. Watch that one now.
Hey, it's me, Mala. It's me.
Babe, they can't see you too short.
Hi, it's me, Mala. How are you? I'm texting the strike button of time
Hit the
here.
subscribe button. Okay, baby, I know you're always telling me to hit the subscribe button, alright?
Why don't you play my games and no did the timing will go?
Alright, okay, okay.
Okay, fine.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye, baby. I'll come back.
Moradito.
Moradito. Moradito. Moradito. Yeah, fine. Yeah, Moradito.
Moredito. Moredito. Moredito.
Moradito.
Moradito. Moradito. M-O-R-A-D-I-T-O. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Represent Hell City. Hell City, you know what I'm saying? for you want to be representing, start right here.
Well, that's fine now. And you have to think. And you have to think about it.
I'm tell you the word. I'm tell you the answer, make people don't let them know. More than it too.
Mama Dito.
Yeah.
Alright.
I ask you again, and you just give me the answer. Ready or not? Yeah.
Him know him not can tell him say me, you know.
I ask you again, and you just give me the answer like you didn't know. Yeah. Ready or not? Pronounce the following word.
Mama Dito.
Uno on the boss. Alright, hold on. Don't touch your remote. So if you guys are wondering, what Mardito means? What is Mardito? Who is Mardito? Well, Mardito is the mascot of this company. Now I'll provide you guys with more information. Just keep watching.
Completely sponsored video. Hey, JNEL. Proud.
Why don't they just show me?
No, JNEL. One more ad? Y'all go ad, man.
Why don't they ask me the only ticket
I said cauliflower.
Only Flow gives you an unlimited data plan for the apps you really want, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So, what is here?
Flip bar so.
Dial *129 *6 number sign to activate your 7-day plan for
30 seconds. How long is the answer to this question? What is the question?
How long is the answer to this question?
I understand my boss.
You don't understand? About a second.
How long? I don't know how long.
You know,
I don't know how long.
How long is the answer to this question?
I don't know.
no, no.
How long, right? Yeah. Is the answer to this question?
How long is the answer for this question? Let me think.
The answer how long. So then ask again and you say how long. So how long is the answer to this question?
Oh, how long?
Alright my boss. How long is the answer to this question? How long is the answer to this question? I don't know. No, let me get the answer then. Yeah. Answer the how long, man. Because me I say how long is the answer to this question. The last one, alright? You have to.
I'm not a big daughter, what you not a big son.
Boy.
Must be mad in barrage. You have 30 cows on a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't? What? 30 cows on a farm, you know?
Yeah.
And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
10.
Repeat that one again. Alright, 20 cows on a farm, right? 30 cows on a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't? Didn't what? How many didn't? Yeah. Didn't what?
Yo, this so spicy, me I cry.
30 cows?
30 cows on a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
This is the definition of a trick question, people.
3.
Wait, what? No.
Hey, what is doing?
20 did it, man. 20.
Imam, what I understand what the try do.
On a farm, right? And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't.
What you mean? 30 cows on a farm, you know? And 20 of them 8 chickens. How many didn't? What am I just saying? 30 cows on a farm.
But I don't know what 8
And
means.
28 chickens. How many didn't? 10 cows, you say, or 20 cows? No man, 30 cows on a farm. Yeah. And 20 of them
8 chickens.
and 28 chickens.
You
How
know.
many didn't?
And 28 chicken.
What?
How many didn't?
Yeah. 30 cow on a farm and 28 chickens. How many didn't? 2. How many didn't? 30 cow on a farm, you know, and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
But I just put up 2 fingers.
So what would you do if you didn't have any limiting beliefs?
Ooh, potato.
What would your life
I'm eating
look
this with the
like
skin
if
and
you had
everything because I did that
no
yesterday
beliefs?
actually.
If
I
you
didn't even
have beliefs
remember
that
to
hold
take the
you
skin
back,
off.
that limit you, that say no. If you're ready to take action, to truly live.
I'm gonna skip that one.
2. Must be mad in. I'm gonna bust anything that I listen again, you know. You have 30 cow on a farm, right?
Must be mad in.
Yeah, and 28 chickens. How many didn't? 30 cow on a farm and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Ah, yeah, man. You know what I'm to them, man. It's a 30 cow up on the farm.
Yeah.
And 20 of them eat chicken.
Yeah.
How many didn't? That means that 10 of them don't eat chicken.
Good boy.
You have 30 cow on a farm, right? Yeah. And 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Papa now get that.
I don't know about that. Get the answer for that one again. Alright, so I'm ask you again. Yeah, give me the answer. Yeah, I got say 10. Yeah. Ready now? Yeah. There are 30 cows up on a farm.
But like that relationship,
28
yeah.
chickens. How many didn't? 10. Cool on my boss. Yeah, big up and on general. Yeah, man, respect. Alright, babes. Thanks for watching. So this video was sponsored by Hugo, right? Hugo is a super app, right? That was created back in 2017. Currently in 6 countries and Jamaica being 7. So if you want to order food, if you want a beer, you want to order games, you want to order any electronic device, or order for your favorite restaurant, trust me, just count on Hugo. Just download the app in the App Store. If you leave work 5 o'clock and you know you're going to reach home by 6, you can also schedule delivery. So make sure you guys download the Hugo app in the App Store and also Play Store. Download Hugo. It's pretty fast and pretty reliable, so make sure you download Hugo. I don't know why I'm saying download so much time, but you guys just download Hugo. If you want a company that's fast and reliable, and you want your food come out, here you go.
Ah, I see what you did there. Here, you go. Okay. May I watch the next episode? So I'm just watch the one there. I'm gonna watch the one before the one there now. Come and take me that got done by then.
Welcome, peeps. Thanks for clicking on this video. So
You're welcome.
Now we have trick question episode 1 to 3. So you guys can watch it, but listen now.
Yeah.
This is where it gets exciting. So there will be codes that pop up in this video, and if you text me that code on Instagram, my Instagram will be on the screen right now, JNEL official _1. If you watch closely enough, but you have to watch straight through the video, you see me? So if you watch closely enough, there will be a code that pop up on the screen, and
do
you
I
should
win
text
credit?
me that code on Instagram at JNEL official _1. If you text me that code, you get a chance to win.
Credit.
And I gotta tell you, but watch the video. Look if I see the code.
I usually that's
Let's
in the
get it
video
on.
too.
What is a bottom at the top? What is a what?
Yeah, we hear that one already.
What is it? What is a bottom
At the top.
What is that?
I know.
Big milk. Yo, what one peeps that don't know your boy JNEL back at it again
Back
with
at
the
it?
next episode of Trick Question. You don't know season 3. So watch on the people disappear for 1 year. Wait, no 1 year. Yo, big up yourself in my G. Everything up. Alright, when does my G? Disappear for 1 year. Not 1 year. Almost a year. You
No, I'm watching one already.
To February, that makes a year. So now January, you don't know. Almost a year. So watch on the
Sometimes I
people
feel like JNEL put out more than this. So literally, 1 to 3 giveaway. Oh, then sorry. Let me go back to episode 5. I never said that. This is so spicy.
What has a tongue but cannot talk?
Yeah, that tongue in the girl them clitty can't talk daddy. Say me wrong, tell me wrong daddy, but me believe for the clitty.
What am get the people here?
One go on peeps, believe you get thrown off how many want off, but one go on peeps, they done here boy JNEL back at it again with the next
That's Spanish tone, what's that?
question. Watch out peeps,
Spanish
you can see
tone.
by the background with their Spanish tone right now.
Alright.
You see me, and I got you and ask some question. Hold on.
Ay, ay, ay.
Much police are
Cut
coming
it,
from?
cut it, cut it. Walk peeps, and don't know your boy JNEL back at it again with the next episode. Ask the questions, watching the people, this is episode 5 and right now we're there now. We nearly say half a tree. I don't know why I love half a tree. Right now we're there in a Spanish town.
You love half a
You can
tree
see in
for
the
sure.
background, you see me? So we ask 2 questions, we go on all questions as we do, same procedure like last week. You see me? So one thing to do is like up the video. You see me? Click the like button. May I give you 5 seconds? Click the like button right now.
Quick.
Alright, big up on yourself, people. You don't know your boy JNL, so we are going to move right now. You don't know the vibes there. You know, we are trying to, you know, we don't move too fast, but yeah. I'm going now, yeah.
We need some of them there now. Green.
Well, one peeps, you don't know your boy JNL. So I have a small announcement. So this video was shot on February the 7th. You see me in Spanish town, but however, things never look good technically because you know my was giving a few problems during the starting of the video. But throughout the video, you know, we continued to try to make ends meet, but we had to end up leaving the location before time. So this video, you know, it's not like 100 like the other videos. Hope you guys still, you know, appreciate, you know,
Definitely.
edit it and to put it out so you may
No, we love you.
It's not fit to go out for us. You understand? So hope you guys, you know, understand the whole thing. Yeah, big up on yourself. You know, thanks for loving these videos and look out for the next video next week. Definitely next weekend. Which would be, I'm not sure. Probably like 21st or something like that. But big up on yourself.
You're not done it done?
Oh, thanks for watching. And there's one more thing. Hit the like button. Yeah. First thing why just give me a name. Big up in the general.
Shenil.
Shenil.
Yeah.
Sean. Sean.
Yeah, man, Booba.
Booba.
Yeah, man.
How you get that name?
I'm from my band, me have a name, the man. Them say me a general from my band, so them just give me a general name.
Booba.
Yes, sir. Romari. Ricardo.
Okay, Mario.
Samson.
Something creative, Baba.
Creative Baba.
Philip.
Ray Crusher.
Wait, I know him. He follows me on
You
Instagram.
don't know the people that know you already, but why introduce yourself same way?
From another branch, you know it's icon to the flipping world. You know it's the cops. You know, so what you know, everything shot, everything bad. Y'all get reject. JNEL TV represent Spanish Town.
Alright, the first question.
Load.
How many circles does that square have?
How many circles does a square have?
What am I thinking about this?
Square down a circle, brother.
Exactly. Come, cutie.
How many circles a square have? How many circles does a square have?
How many circles does that square have?
How many circles a square have? How many circles a square have? And a circle and a square. Yes, sir. None of them not did it.
None of them did it. Circles does that square have?
A square don't have a circle. How many circles a
Come
square
on, cutie.
How many
No.
circles does that square have?
How many circles a square have?
Triangle, rectangle, square. What you talking about? Square or circle, what? I'm not sure. I'm not remember the one there. Boy, if you don't get square, I don't know. I'm telling you, I don't know. How much circle?
Does that square have?
But circle on the square,
Good girl.
right?
Circle on a square.
Circle on the square.
Alright.
Square down the circle, brother.
Sure.
Positive.
Aww.
Circle, brother.
Sure.
How many circles
There's a square.
square have?
Raj,
Think about it.
can you pass some more paper towel for me, please? Like a big piece, really big piece.
Brother, square can't have circle.
Good use.
How many circles a square have? Oh. Me I think about the square as in like, you know when you talk about square root 2. 2 and answer? You know like square?
Cutie, really?
No?
How many circles does that square have?
A
square and a half circle.
So now that's it, no? He was overthinking it.
So that's square and a circle, brother.
Good use.
Listen again, you know. How many circles?
No, you have to show it. You have to show it. Yeah, but you have to show it that we see it. Yeah, but you're going to want to show that this is a square, how much circle you have, right? This is a circle, how much square you have. Listen, man, some more, you understand what I'm saying?
How many circles does a square have?
How many circles a square have? Right now, I swear to God, a square coming like a triangle.
Raj. Pass the paper towel for me now. Oh, you not hear that? We need a big piece. Mm. Oh, I paused it, guys.
It's correct.
It's correct?
No. It's so. Let's make your own water.
I swear, like, this is getting more places than I thought it would. You know. Oh. So spicy.
Man, somebody.
Give me this, yeah? And then split that in a half. Give me. Split that in a half and give me half and put the other half far from me. That's it exact.
I'm trying to find the breaking point. Hold it down.
No, come on, can't waste
Hold
time,
it.
son.
No,
Draw.
hold it here.
Marla.
Come here. Here.
Raj.
Firm. Don't move. Hold it. Stop. Don't stay. Don't move.
You can please give me paper towel?
Yeah.
Give me that piece. Alright. Thanks.
Magic.
Later. Alright, go bye.
Shut your bell.
Take two.
What?
Or three.
So,
1, 2,
I don't know which part you have square.
Stop.
But they can't tell us that we feel like a one square. Can't check 11. It have 4 3 corner. Must be mad in barrage. 1 9, 1 9, 1 9. You hear what I say?
Them so tight. And found fast out.
You don't get a circle, dada. It just get 3 corner, dog. You get me? Watch out, you know a crux this is. So when me I tell you my answer to that, you have to get the real thing about it. Spanish down there, me I tell you, so watch out now. How many corner a square can?
How many circles does a square have?
Them not listen to the question.
Right now a square now have no circle, dog.
Yo, come on,
Which way the egg go roll go?
Where you go?
Rooster can't lay egg, brother. Yo. Big up on the damn self, man. Yo, man, respect your number, guys. Support your channel, yeah? Big up yourself, you see me? Up top in the middle. Rooster can't lay. Hold on, sir. See that? If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
I depend for the roof set.
Come on, Samson.
And let me rooster can lay egg. Rooster can lay egg, rooster is a rooster, and a rooster no head fall or nothing, you know. So when the rooster can lay egg, you see what I say?
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
A rooster?
Lay egg on a roof. Which way it go roll go?
That roll off on the roof.
Cutie. Cutie. No.
Yeah, what going on now? Rooster no lay egg. Hen lay egg, brother.
Alright, yeah, good use.
If a rooster lay egg on a roof,
Yo, this shit just squirted all over my laptop.
you know that one?
Yeah.
It's a roll off on the roof. That's not...
Sure.
Rooster lay egg.
It almost cut to backside. No.
Between getting what you want and wanting what you get.
I said cauliflower.
OnlyFlow gives you an unlimited data plan for the apps you really want. Like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram,
Babe,
Twitter,
no jumping on the bed.
WhatsApp.
So, what are you? Flip or so.
Dial star 129 star 6 number sign to activate your 7-day plan for only $675.
So rooster can't lay egg. Stop.
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
But click that one JNEL, me not tell a lie. But when me check your level, if me lay an egg on a roof right now, you're supposed to hatch. Bring me a son or a daughter. You get me? Me not gonna tell a lie. You believe me that, trust me. But what you know?
If a rooster lay egg on a roof, which way the egg go roll go?
The man cook
Sit
out.
down in a car. Listen up. The rooster goes to bomb and lay an egg on the roof. But to the full 100 as a gangster, me don't hear the drama, what would I say? You see, if it was a hen, lay an egg on a roof, God know, if it was a egg, if it was a hen, lay an egg on a roof, would I say it have a hatch. But rooster can't lay egg, dad.
Yeah.
Sir, rooster can't lay egg, dad. I tell you.
Yes, egg. Can't at all.
Rooster can't lay egg, dad. God know.
Alright, yeah, man, I get that money,
So him do all of that.
I'm representing the car, remember me a star, you know. I see, and watch you know. I love this station, because watch you know, people know about Icon, and know about my good things in that Spanish store. Look over there, sir. Video over there. I KFC that man. Over there, me send me girl go get chicken. Free chicken for me girl them. So all of me girl them who want chicken, just go link Icon, and say free chicken. Me don't need KFC now in Spanish store. And it's delicious of chicken. Them nice, them lovely. So every girl want chicken, can go link me and say free chicken. Me have to get chicken daddy.
Next one, right? What has a tongue but cannot talk?
The cat dog.
Basically, that's it. Tongue. Shoes, man. My clothes have tongue, man. Can't clothes. Can't talk.
Your shoes. Stop. The shoes.
Shut him out. How the bougie? In bougie say.
What about tongue?
What has a tongue but cannot talk? What have a tongue? Shoelace.
Don't give them Mr. Eddie Raj. Yeah.
My puppy.
Mm-mm.
Can't chat. I can't say shoes stuff. Yeah.
What about tongue? Budget now.
Mm-mm. Where should stay, sir?
What has a tongue but cannot talk?
Oh, hey, yo, me no want to go to the balloon on JNEL.
You do it already.
Looks like this. Yo, believe me, when me come here, what have a tongue and cannot talk? I swear to God. Me feel like it's a cow. Me feel like it's a dog. Can't be all a puss.
You know sense, man?
You get me? But believe me, I want tongue. Me know what can't talk.
Yeah.
And the girl them tongue. Me wrong or me right? Hey, you come in a dog.
Yeah, big up.
You call a tongue like clitty. You clitty, you call a tongue like clitty.
Okay, I'm better. The man a drama.
That can't talk, daddy.
Yes, I click it.
Yeah, that tongue in the girl them clitty can't talk, daddy. Say me wrong, tell me wrong, daddy, but me believe for the clitty.
Yo. Aww. It done. That was a good one. This is spicy, but I am almost done. You know, I'm gonna have to wipe off my laptop with some bleach when I'm done.
Why?
Bleach
I can't
water.
feel.
Who said we have to go back to normal?
Mine, you fall down.
Why can't
Or
you?
back to anywhere? What if instead of going back, we went forward? What if we thought differently? If we pursued something better for us? What if we were more open? And not just what...
Oh god, this food was so good, guys. Like, so good. Messy process, but really good.
Eat.
I'm not gonna stop talking. I'm good. I'm done. Okay, so I think what's kicking, I did get 1 mild and 1 spicy, but what I did was I put some extra spicy sauce on this, so literally my nose is like running, but it was really good. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. If you guys want more content like this, let me know. I like more chill stuff, and I feel like it fits with my schedule way more. So thanks guys so much for watching. Drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.